Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, please, you are highly welcome. Don't go nowhere. Watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So today I am going to Abiriba. Now I'm going to pass through this Umuahia Uzuakoli-Ohafia road that is under construction. So you can see even the drainages, beside the road, and you can see this area. They are expanding this area. They actually removed the old dilapidated tar on this section of the road, and they are going to, fix up this place. So kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you guys for always making a chance to watch my videos. As you're watching, please don't forget to click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell above. And please keep watching this video as I'm still going to take you to the Abiriba section. Tell me what you think in the comment section as you're watching. Thanks for clicking this video once again.